My name's Mike and I make videos of my allotment and the occasional woodworking project. I can't tell you how satisfied I am to return to the allotment this week due to my forced restraining order to complete the modifications to the bathroom. That's all done with now. The weather, I've got to tell you, has been great. Except for Wednesday where we had rain and Friday where we had some rain. But generally speaking, it's been real nice spring weather, though it has been a little bit colder. It seems ages since I last went to the allotment. It's not as long as what I imagined it to be, but I was anxious to take a look and see how the broad beans were doing. Had they been attacked by rats again? Was there any missing? The critters been eating them? I just wanted to know. So it was down to the plot, covers off and inspect the beans. And yep, they're not looking too bad. Looking healthy, none are missing and no dead rats. To get a better record, I need to take this frame off and then we can see what they're like. The question is, will I get the succession? Does it look as though there's a week between each of those planted plants there? As this bed is ready available for planting and only half utilised, I dug up the leek plants grown last year from pips from bed 3 and transplanted them into bed 6. I'm still going to sow an autumn variety of broad bean in bed 6 as planned, and have plenty of room for the 6 pip plants which survived the winter. Dick, a fellow plot holder, has got an interest in growing the autumn harvesting broad beans, so he gave me a hand to put the frame back on. I recorded last week I lost my seed sowings and stated I would replace them with garden centre plants. But unfortunately, though plenty of plants to choose from, there are no brassicas available, and in particular cauliflowers. Another milestone this week was I received my second jab for corona protection in Lewes, and this coincided with the farmers market and all the plants required were available. It is my intention to plant these out next week, which requires a steady push in preparing my beds. But first, before I prepare the beds, I've got to move this table from the greenhouse. And I thought, well, I'll also better finish off the strimming. The poly bench moved, I set my stall out to start on bed 1, working my way up to at least to bed 6, including bed 11 as preparation for seed sowing and planting out next week. Bed 1 also required removal of last season's carrots, having now passed their eat-by date, though I've got to say it was a successful season. Bindweed is still a problem on the plot and it's coming up mainly from the path edges. I keep it mainly out of the bed, but as you can see, there's still just a bit that I have to keep pulling out. Bed 1 cleared, I then proceeded to use the cultivator hoe to bring the soil to a reasonable tilth. I find this tool very useful on the no-dig system. I hoed all the beds up to bed 6 in succession, which, once into the swing of the action, I found to be quite satisfying, and to be honest, lost all track of time. I still included bed 3 in the hoeing programme, though this bed is in need of having its timber work replaced. These timbers were formed using pallets as a build experiment, and the results of my tests are it's not a good idea to build raised beds using pallet wood, as A, it is rather labour intensive to produce and put together, and B, even with using plenty of wood preservative, they still don't last. These now require replacing, and the timber has been ordered and is due for delivery next Tuesday. I mentioned earlier that Dick was showing an interest in sowing an autumn harvested broad bean and was eager to assist in my sowing by enrolling as an apprentice camera operator. Now, you can go back again on it if you want. I'm going to put these in.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see your legs. Yeah, and I can see your hands now.
Can you see the packet?
Yeah, I can see the packet of seed.
Right. They look just like ordinary beans. Can you see that?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's
Seed
good.
dropping.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, you're being filmed.
You can do the sound effects if you like. Stop.
I never thought I'd be a porn star.
Oh yeah. A what star?
A porn star.
Porn.
Yeah, well, you know, but not necessarily a star. A filmer. You know, cameraman.
You're an adder next. Or Yorkshire Television.
That's right. Yeah. Yeah.
How's that, Dick?
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. So
That was all on
what are we thinking about? The end of the week coming down picking a few?
Yeah, yeah. Was the first row in, and off Dick went back to his own plot, while I repeated the sowing a further 4 rows, to which I raked and covered them over. Incidentally, I planted them 8 inches below the surface, so now it's just a question of waiting, watching, until they appear. Bed 11 is also ready for planting out, and this has been prepared for the first planting out of Brassicas next week. Bed 12 is the runner bean bed and can be left now for a few weeks. This leads me on to bed 13, which is prepared, and this will take my first sowing of French beans. And lastly, bed 14 has yet to be cleared, and as of today I've not decided what to plant here. Probably beetroot or carrots. Well, that's it for this week. Next week we've got to plant out those brassicas. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, a thumbs up would be nice. I'd like you to comment though. I do like your comments. I apologise for Dick and his unscripted verbal commentary during the planting of the beans, but it's honest and it's what happened. If you've not already done so, can you please subscribe, and to get further notifications of any uploads, I ask you if you could please ring that bell. And it just leaves me to say, take care of yourself, have a good week, and bye.